Shivam here from Pi Classes. So today we are going to talk about our last topic in this series of basic SQL, which is distinct keyword. In this video, we will learn what is distinct keyword and its syntax. So first we will talk about what is distinct keyword. So the SQL distinct keyword is used in conjunction with the select statement to eliminate all the duplicate records and fetching only unique records. There may be situation when you have multiple duplicate records in a table. While fetching such records, it makes much more sense to fetch only those records instead of fetching duplicate records. So now that I have told you what is distinct keyword, so let's understand the basic sequence of distinct keyword. Select distinct column names from table name where condition then semicolon. Note, the distinct keyword is used with select statement. So now that I have told you the basic syntax of distinct keyword, let's understand it through an example. So I am going to consider a following table to fetch desired records where we will use distinct keyword. In the above table, multiple employees have the same salary. So we will be using distinct keyword to list down distinct salary amount. So what will be the query? So the query will be select distinct salary from employee. On executing the above query, we will get distinct salary amount of all the employees in the table. You can see on the screen. So let's do some practical. Here we will see that how to eliminate all the duplicate records from the table and fetching only unique records by using distinct keyword. So as you can see that I have MySQL workbench opened up and I have connected to the server right by typing in my password. So now in the text editor we will type our queries. So we have already a table named customers which I have used before in our previous lectures. So we will perform our task directly in the same table again. This is the customers table. So if I want to fetch distinct salary amount of all the customers from customers table, so what will be the query? So here I will type my desired query using distinct keyword. But first I have to write a query to use database testdb to perform any task on the table. So I will type use testdb semicolon then simply run it by pressing Ctrl plus enter. So as you can see on the action output that our query is successfully executed. So now we can perform our next tasks. So I will type select distinct keyword then salary from customers table and then order by clause and the column name is salary, then put the semicolon. Now we will run it by simply pressing key combination of Ctrl plus enter. So as you can see on the action output that our query is successfully executed and we have got the distinct salary amounts of all the customers. So that's it for today's practical. Let's jump to our quiz section. Let's put your knowledge to the test. So these are the three basic questions which I have talked about in this video. So just pause the video and try to think of the answers. I think you have chosen your answers. Let's see if you are right or wrong. So these are the right answers. So that's it for basic SQL. In the next video, we will start learning advanced SQL.